Dream AP Global Energy was contracted by Philips to provide design support, installation, as well as commissioning of the Dandu Community Center. This is a PV solar project with battery backup. And it was actually quite an interesting project for us. It shows how powering healthcare is a possibility and can be done.
Hello, Arnold Ayoma, Operations Manager at Dream. Dandu Clinic has been an amazing journey for us. Whilst building a dream, we were living the dream. The whole project took us 7 months, planning, 5 trips, 4 days of installation, and 1 day of commissioning. We are happy to have been part of the project and to be able to deliver it to the level we did. As a team, we are proud of everything we are able to achieve and surmounting all the challenges thrown at us, from floods, bad roads, mechanical failure.
My name is June Victoria Nyango Molo. I work for Philips East Africa as a project manager. This particular project focuses on primary health care for community living in the hardship area like Mandera, and the solar is going to impact on them because it's going to equip our different equipment that is used for healthcare provision. We're happy to partner with Dream.
The solar PV system at Dandu Community Life Center was majorly designed to power medical equipment for offering basic health services, and this for us meant our design and installation consideration would be, among other things, functionality, reliability and safety due to the delicate and sensitive nature of the equipment involved.
The power system consists of a solar PV array of 5 kilowatts, battery bank of 48 volts, 18 kilowatt hours, a diesel generator of 8 kVA, an inverter of 8 kVA, and a virtual remote monitoring system.
Yes, my name is Titus Musioka John, medical lab technologist at Dandu CLC. I've been working here for a while, and we are very grateful for the connectivity of the solar panels and the generator, because by so doing it has helped us to use some machines that we have not been using, like the refrigerator for blood and some other machines which can be seen here. So it has really helped us since then.